introduction of the men's 800 meters, which will come up in a short while from now. And this is the man who we'll watch out for, Mohammad Afzal of the Indian Air Force. He surely is the favorite out here. Mohammad Afzal 2023, the Hangzhou Asian Games silver medalist. Wan Muhammad bin Wahan Zahari is the next of them from Malaysia. 1 minute 47.64. The boy to follow them is Ashok. In the 800 meters, Dandasena of Odisha. Prakash Gadade of Maharashtra has been at the forefront. Aman Kumar of the Indian Army is the 8th of them. And finally completing the lineup in the men's 800 meters is Amira Salan Hamidi of Iran. So we got a Somalian out there, a nation which has produced some world beaters, isn't it? Somalia, Sombadur Kumal of Nepal, Lorana in the 3rd, Krishnan Kumar of Haryana, as they set back out here on an event where we all know that the 800 meters strategy is very simple. Often involves, of course, a balance of pacing, positioning, and a strong finish. A common approach, as you now watch them on the back straight, is to conservatively build up a faster pace in the middle, which they've done so far, and then the final 200 meters. The favorite surely is Mohammad Afzal of India, 1 minute 44.93 out here. I'm sure he's told himself that don't go too quickly out there. The crowd up there in roar, where is Mohammad Afzal? He's been the star as far as the 800 meters for India is concerned. We're now just about 52 as the pace is now being set there. Oh, one of them goes out of the... And that was the pacemaker for sure. Out here, this is where it's all going to start happening. It's all building up now. Afzal, well, looks to be a surprise coming up. At the far side, at the final 200 meters. Yes, it's building up now to a crescendo for sure. That pace certainly has been set, I suspect, by Suleiman of Somalia, is it? Mohammad Afzal of the Indian Air Force, and there he is. Yes, as expected, Mohammad Afzal of the Indian Air Force. He is the top favorite, and he has been the 2023 Hangzhou Asian Games silver medalist. He takes it away. 146.50, of course, we'll wait for it. 144.93 has been his 2025 best timing, and as expected, he takes the 800 meters for the men.
That's confirmation of the full result of that women's 100-meter final, and here is the scrolling result for the men's 800 that we've just seen. There might be a little bit of photo finish required to separate out some of those that were chasing.